Good morning. So today we are going to learn control systems of two types, which is feedback control system, feed forward control system. So in the feedback control system, for suppose substance A giving stimulus to substance B and substance B is giving stimulus to substance C. So and it can be endocrine, chemical process or anything. Now the substance C is giving input, like it is giving back the input to substance B and substance A. This kind of going back and giving input is feedback control system. And if the feedback is positive or stimulatory one, then the system will be known as positive feedback control system. If the feedback gives negative kind of input, then to the original product, then it is negative feedback control system. So for example, your BP raised due to certain reasons. Then what happens? Then baroreceptors will be activated. Then this baroreceptors will try to bring back the blood pressure to normal. So this is negative feedback. So negative feedback control system is required for stability of the control system. That means if blood pressure is positive control system, then what happens? Positive feedback means if BP increases or rises, certain system is rising the BP more. That will be disastrous. That will be leading to instability. So that's why negative feedback control system is required for stability of control system. And an example for positive feedback leads to instability is, for example, is substance A stimulates B, B stimulates C, and C in turn stimulates A. And when it will be beneficial? During the childbirth. And this is a vicious cycle. And this leads to instability. So during the childbirth, which is also known as Ferguson reflex, uterine contractions leads to oxytocin release. Oxytocin release leads to stronger contractions again. Stronger contractions leads to release of more oxytocin. So this cycle continues until delivery. That's it. That's all the control system says. Simple, right? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.